Do you give your website the care it deserves? WordPress is a cutting-edge platform, but it needs maintenance and support to stay secure and run smoothly. That requires technical knowledge and lots of time. Website security, new plugin configuration, page speed? Relax. Whether you spend too little time working on your site or too much, we've got you covered. Bloggers, business owners, and webmasters, meet Stylemix. We work on WordPress sites so that you don't have to. And we don't just meet your expectations, we exceed them. We keep WordPress websites safe, secure, and up to date. That way, you can focus on creating great content and growing your business. No more headaches, no more worrying, and no more wasted time. Working with one of our dedicated account managers is easy and effortless. With real-time security monitoring, daily malware scanning, website backups, and top-notch customer support, we have everything you need to keep your website running like a well-oiled machine. When it comes to on-page SEO and performance, we don't leave anything up to chance. We audit your site, optimize your page speed, and make sure your images are properly compressed. If you want to add a new feature or integrate a new service, we implement it for you. And every week, we'll send you detailed reporting so you can see exactly what we've done and how your site is doing. Since your account manager is always just a phone call or email away, the answers to your questions are within reach. So why wait? Get in touch with us today and see how we can help take your WordPress website to the next level.